Hello everybody, back at it again with the one and only Ujjan van Rivik. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and please subscribe to the channel. It's been a minute. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I couldn't make videos, and unforeseen circumstance, it's me literally breaking the shit out of my phone. So, but we're back, and we've been starving for these reactions. This is Big Xhosa featuring SOS, Lemon Pepper Freestyle. As far as I know, SOS is the actual guy. Big Xhosa is the alter ego. So he's featuring himself. The first guy to ever feature himself in a song. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Let me just get the video for you. Big Xhosa. Okay. Don't mind the hate, guys. Don't mind the hate. For me, it's a bad day every day.
My back is aching. I am very, very tired. I am tired. Yeah, man. I've been holding SA Hip Hop for too long. Please come and rap, man.
He's been carrying SA Hip Hop.
Yeah.
He's been causing the stir. I think they kind of fear him though. Besides not taking him serious, they kind of fear him. But I'm just saying, Lemon Pepper Freestyle. He's living good. Moosey and fruit.
I made it happen with no television. I remember when my dad tried to dead the vision. He kicked me out of the house, but I stayed on mission. I used to take a lot of walks and now I run the ditches. Yeah, niggas.
What? Now this is rapping. This is what we look. Alright, guys. His dad tried to dead the vision. Even though they didn't have a television at home. He used to take walks, now we run the digits. On the web, he's doing numbers. He's been training on Twitter for a while. He was training for a while, a week ago, for consecutive days. His views on YouTube. Yeah, guys. That's a bar.
Thought I'm only here for a week. Each and every week, man, they gotta pay me my fees. Each and every week, since the other week, I'm on trending list. There's no enemy, fuck my enemies. This is meant to be. Jeez, can't believe that I'm touching this cheese. We say cheese when we counting the cheese. I was catching.
Wait, let's go back a little.
Enemies, this is meant to be. Jeez, can't believe that I'm touching this cheese. We say cheese when we counting the cheese. I was catching feelings.
We say cheese when we counting that cheese. Do you get? We say cheese when we counting that cheese. He means he's referencing cheese to money and cheese to smiling. So we always smiling when counting that money. We say cheese when counting that cheese. Bah!
Fuck it, I had to kick out. I pushed it too good, I'm scared it's gonna shake me out. On my hustle, I really had to show.
Is it the same girl as Mr. Music 6? The one, the push is so good. I had to kick her out. It's on beta. It's over 6. It's on beta. Okay, because.
Before made me humble, I'm straight from the jungle. Don't you judge me. Oh no, don't you judge me. You don't know, don't you judge me. You don't know, don't you judge me. You don't know, don't you judge me.
Ilanga. Wait. I saw something about Ilanga. There was something that was there. Let's go back a little bit. What's this? Because Ilanga produced. What? Magwa. Oh, Magwa, look. Guys, Magwa. The one with Questa on the 4th. Today is the 3rd. You tell me he's dropping something tomorrow. Yeah. I have to get this one. This is fire. There's rapping, there's singing. He changed his voice so easily.
You le ntwana ngumlungu. SOS yo ngumlungu le ntwana. Epilayita yam madoda. You can't even anywhere. You ngumlungu lungiyane. Epilayita yam. Boy, mtanam, jonga, uyabakakisa, uyabatuisa. Yar! You. Hong, English, yabo, hong. Batubanyisile. Even though andivanga next, batubanyisile. Hong. But it's a fire, boy. Keep it up, mtanam. I'll call you again next time, ever. You inja le boy.
That was SOS featuring Big Xhosa. Lemon Pepper Freestyle. For me, this was literally fire. It was fire. He just took us on a different journey. When we hear the word Big Xhosa, we think, okay, it's gonna be something I can laugh at, something comedic in a way. But this time, he gave us bars. This is how you enter the game nowadays. When you don't have connections, this is how you enter the game. Big Xhosa was a publicity stunt. So, shout out to SOS for putting in the work. They did say the revolution will not be televised, but for your sake, it's getting YouTubed.